How to add tags on YouTube videos the right way to get more views. SEO 2025. Are you struggling to get more views on your YouTube videos? One of the most overlooked but powerful tools for YouTube SEO is tags. When used correctly, tags can help your videos rank higher in search results, attract the right audience, and boost your overall channel growth. In this guide, I'll show you how to add tags to YouTube videos the right way so you can maximize your views in 2025. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and drop a comment if you find this video helpful. Why are YouTube tags important? Tags are keywords that help YouTube understand what your video is about. While they may not be the most critical ranking factor, they still play a role in improving your video's discoverability. Here's how they help. Improve search rankings. Tags help YouTube categorize your content properly. Increase visibility. They make it easier for your video to appear in search results and suggested videos. Attract the right audience. Using relevant tags ensures that your video reaches viewers interested in your topic. How to add tags on YouTube the right way. Step 1. Research the best tags for your video. Don't just add random words as tags. Instead, research the best keywords related to your video. Here's how. Use YouTube search. Start typing your topic in the search bar and see the suggested keywords. Check competitor videos. Look at the tags used by top-ranking videos in your niche. Use SEO tools. Free and paid tools like TubeBuddy, Vedic, and KeywordTool.io can help you find high-performing tags. Step 2. Add tags in the right order. The first few tags should be the most relevant and high-ranking keywords. Here's the right way to structure your tags. 1. Primary keyword. Example, YouTube SEO 2025. 2. Secondary keywords. Related phrases like how to add tags on YouTube videos. 3. LSI keywords. Variations and synonyms, such as video SEO, YouTube ranking tips. For branding tags, include your channel name to help build brand recognition. Step 3. Stay within the tag limit. YouTube allows up to 500 characters for tags, but stuffing too many keywords can hurt your ranking. Focus on 10 to 15 highly relevant tags for the best results. Step 4. Monitor and optimize your tags. After uploading your video, track its performance and tweak your tags if needed. If you notice certain keywords driving more traffic, adjust your tags accordingly for future videos. Final thoughts. Use tags smartly for more views. While tags alone won't make your video go viral, they help YouTube understand your content and recommend it to the right audience. Combined with a strong title, description, and thumbnail, using the right tags. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more YouTube growth tips. Let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like me to cover. See you in the next video.